On acceptance. Accept whatever comes to you woven in the pattern of your destiny, for what could more aptly fit your needs? Embrace life as it unfolds, understanding that what happens is often what is needed for your personal growth and journey. On perspective. We suffer more often in imagination than in reality. Remember that many of our worries and fears are products of our imagination and may never materialize. Focus on the present reality rather than hypothetical woes. On resilience. The oak fought the wind and was broken. The willow bent when it must and survived. Be adaptable and flexible in the face of adversity, like a willow. Resilience often involves bending rather than breaking. On self-control. He who has control over himself controls his greatest adversary. Recognize that self-control is your most powerful tool for overcoming challenges. Mastering yourself allows you to face any challenge effectively. On purposeful action. Waste no time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Focus on living virtuously through your actions rather than merely discussing or contemplating moral ideals. On inner strength. Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. True strength is derived from your will and inner fortitude, not just physical ability. On mindfulness. The present moment is the only thing where there is no time. It's the only time there is, and the only time that you can actually live. Embrace and fully experience the present moment, as it is the only time you truly live and can take action. On adaptability. It is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent. It is the one most adaptable to change. Embrace change and be adaptable. Survival and success often depend more on adaptability than on strength or intelligence. On simplicity. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Find beauty and sophistication in simplicity. Simplifying your life can lead to greater clarity and joy. On overcoming difficulties. Bonti, the greater the difficulty, the more glory in surmounting it. Skillful pilots gain their reputation from storms and tempests. Embrace challenges as opportunities to demonstrate your skills and resilience. Overcoming difficulties can lead to personal growth and a sense of achievement. On change and growth. Change is not merely necessary to life, it is life. Embrace change as an essential and enriching part of life. Growth and progress are born from change. On perspective and reality. Life is not what happens to us, but how we react to what happens to us. Your reaction to events, rather than the events themselves, shapes your experience of life. Focus on cultivating positive responses. On inner peace. Serenity comes when you trade expectations for acceptance. Find peace by accepting what is, rather than being upset by what isn't. Let go of rigid expectations. On wisdom. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. Embrace the humility of recognizing your own limitations in knowledge. This openness is the foundation for true wisdom. On virtue and action. Waste no more time arguing about what a good person should be. Be one. Rather than discussing virtue, embody it in your actions. Live the qualities you value. On endurance. Do not judge me by my success. Judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again. Measure success by resilience and the ability to overcome adversity, not just by achievements. On purpose. He who has a why to live for can bear almost any how. When you have a strong purpose or reason for living, you can endure difficult circumstances. On self-reflection. An unexamined life is not worth living. Regular self-reflection is essential for a meaningful life. Constantly examine and question your beliefs, actions, and motives. On contentment. True contentment is not having everything, but in being satisfied with everything you have. Happiness comes from appreciating what you already have, rather than constantly seeking more. On resilience. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Focus on controlling your thoughts and attitudes in the face of external circumstances. Your mental resilience is your greatest strength.